Good morning, students. The fourth lesson of our subject is adjectives formation. The definition of adjective, let's revise it because in the previous chapter we studied about it, so you might be remembering about all of that. And the definition is, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. It may come before or after the noun it describes. In this chapter you will see that some adjectives will end with some suffix, and the different types of suffix are covered in this video so that you can get convenient and usable to the suffix while using it with an adjective. Now you will be questioned that what is a suffix? Suffix is simply a letter or a group of letters that are added at the end of verb to make another word. I repeat, it is a letter or a group of letters that are added at the end of a word to make another new word. So now let's learn how an adjective can be formed with adding some suffix to it and make it a new one. The formation of an adjective from a noun. So students, just revise what is a noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal and thing, and we have to form an adjective from the words of the noun. The examples are hope, so we have to add full as a suffix to it and the new word formed will be hopeful. The second one is gold, which we have to add with en as suffix and the new word form is golden. Now we will see how to form an adjective from a verb. So the definition of verb, everyone remembers it? Okay, just let's revise it. A verb is a word that states an action, a fact or a happening. The first example is taste, which changes to tasty, and the second one is talk, which gets added with the suffix ative and the new word form is talkative. An adjective from a verb and a noun is formed when a suffix is added to the simple form of the word. So here we will see some of the examples which added suffix. They are either verb or noun and they will be turned into the adjectives. The first one is by adding the suffix ful, full, hope, hopeful, skill changes to skillful. Here you see hope and skill are added with the suffix ful, full. The second one is by adding the suffix less, less. The first example harm changes to harmless and the second example use changes to useless. Here the main words harm and use are added with the suffix less to make an adjective. Third one is by adding the suffix able. Here love plus able changes to lovable and accept plus able changes to acceptable. Here love and accept are the main words which are changing to the adjective lovable and acceptable. The fourth one is we can change noun and the verb with adding suffix as y to an adjective also. The examples are hunger changes to hungry, grass changes to grassy and cloud changes to cloudy. Here we have added y to the original spelling. The fifth one is when you have to add ous to the spellings given to you and make a new adjective. The first example is glory changing to glorious and fame changing to famous. Here you see ous is added to the main words. The sixth one is when you have to add ly to some of the verb and noun to make a new adjective. Here are the examples. Friend changes to friendly and month changes to monthly. And the seventh one is when you have to add ish to the word. Here you see fool is changing to foolish and style is getting added with the word ich and forming a new word. It is a stylish. All of these are the adjectives, the words of given to you. And the eighth one and the last one is when you have to add ive to the verb or noun. Attract changing to attractive and protect changing to protective. So all of them are the forms you can change a verb or a noun to an adjective easily and conveniently. Thank you.